The main uses of C-type steel photovoltaic bracket are: provide stable support for solar photovoltaic panels, so that it can effectively absorb solar energy and convert it into electricity. It is usually installed on the roof, the ground, or other suitable places to install solar photovoltaic panels. This set of C-type steel photovoltaic support equipment exported to Jordan can produce two different sizes of products, 41 by 20 mm and 41 by 40 mm. Material thickness, 1.5 mm and 1.8 mm, according to the order requirements, equipped with a 3-ton manual uncoiler, forming machine gear selection of 12 groups of archway, axle diameter 60 mm, gearbox drive, hydraulic cutoff, hydraulic pump with air-cooled condenser. C-type steel photovoltaic bracket produced by Zhongtua can withstand large weight and pressure. Lightweight, easy to transport and install. Corrosion resistant, can be used in harsh environments for a long time. It can improve the overall beauty of solar photovoltaic panels. Zhongtua cold bending, so that production is simpler.